The nonwovens industry serves a wide range of applications, each with specific requirements in terms of material processing, performance, and production flexibility. At Pasquato, we support manufacturers and converters with customized sheeting and rewinding machinery, specifically designed around each customer's requirements. From lightweight substrates for filtration to thicker materials for building and construction, and more technical and innovative products for the automotive industry, our solutions are tailored to process a wide variety of nonwoven materials. As new materials continue to be introduced to the market, Pasquato always offers a preliminary testing phase to evaluate the behavior of the material, verify the achievable results, and identify the most suitable machine configuration for the application. Contact us to learn how Pasquato's cutting technologies can optimize your converting process.